Hey friends, so got back from vacation. I put this on vacation mode. This is a Rheem um, water heater, and it was giving me this weird error code at the top. This triangle was flashing. It's not right now, but you can see there's a triangle there. Anyways, so error code like A114 or something, which wasn't even in my book, so I had to look it online. And it says basically your thing's dead. It wasn't heating up at all. Nothing was working. So um, yeah, as with most electrical things, if you just simply turn off the power and turn it back on, it'll resolve the problem. And that was the case with this one. Um, Online, it said, hey, I looked at some forums and it's like, you're going to have to replace your water heater. I was like, this thing's basically brand new. It's maybe a year old. Rheem's supposed to be pretty good quality. So I went out in the garage, turned off the circuit breaker, turned it back on, and started working. Before, the little dots moving back and forth, those weren't, that tells you it's when it's heating, and it wasn't happening. It was just giving me this big old error code, this triangle with exclamation point in the middle, right at the top there. It was like, it's not working. It wasn't heating or anything, so nothing like coming back from vacation and not having any hot water. So now it's working. Just simply turn off the breaker, turn it back on, and everything started working just fine. So thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all next time.